How often has this happened to you? During a busy day or on a trip, you eat something that just doesn't sit well in your system, and when you have more than you should. Get fast relief from these issues and more with Polisorb. Polisorb will minimize downtime and stomach discomfort without harmful side effects. Polisorb works like a magnet. As it travels down your digestive tract, it attaches to substances and helps them swiftly exit the body. Polisorb helps relieve upset stomach and nausea, overindulgence, and eases foodborne negative reactions by cleansing the digestive tract of toxins. It's safe for children and adults. A must-have for your medicine cabinet and first aid kit. You can even take Polisorb monthly to cleanse your digestive tract. See for yourself. Detoxify your digestive tract with Polisorb.